The overall goal of this procedure is to provide controlled biomolecule delivery with spatial control to mimic the cellular niche from hydrophilic or hydrophobic polymeric composite scaffolds. This is accomplished by first creating a sacrificial framework of desired polymers to provide the spatial arrangement of the biomolecule-releasing fibers called Interfacial Polyelectrolyte, or IPC fibers. The second step is to incorporate IPC fibers containing the targeted hydrophilic biomolecule on a sacrificial frame. Next, the IPC fibers on frame constructs are embedded onto a larger scaffold using a micropattern substrate as a casting mold, incorporating topographical cues on the substrate. The final step is to allow full assimilation of the fibers on frame construct and solidification of the polymers to create unpatterned or micropatterned substrates. Ultimately, standard assays can be used to show the release profiles and bioactivity of the target molecules.
The main advantage of this technique over other existing methods like microencapsulation is that the incorporation of hydrophilic biomolecule into a wide range of hydrophilic or hydrophobic polymeric scaffold is now possible to be done in a simple incorporation and fabrication process.
This method can help answer key questions in the drug delivery field, including multiple regulated biochemical release, biochemical gradient, and the synergistic effect of topographical cues and sustained biochemical release on cell behavior.
Visual demonstration of the polyelectrolyte fiber formation is critical as the steps are difficult to learn. The speed, concentration, and the purity of the polyelectrolyte solution are all critical in the stable formation of IPC fibers.